Hey everyone, this is Emily from Create86, and today I wanted to show you an unboxing of my new Moterm Traveler's Notebook. I'm not sure if all Traveler's Notebooks come like this from them, but this is like a pack. It comes with accessories, and so I thought I would do an unboxing and show you what came with it. I got it from AliExpress for $32, which is not bad for the amount of stuff that's in this. It's relatively heavy. It was really well packaged, so that's great. It said the earliest date I could get the product was June 22nd, so today is the 25th, so that's not bad at all, considering July 14th was going to be the latest, I think. So let's open this up. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I'm so excited. I miss using Traveler's Notebooks. So let's just take this stuff out and we'll get to that. Oh, something else. Okay. So this is a pen loop, a metal pen loop with a little fake leather piece. I assume these are jump bands. Jump band and elastic. And then this is the 3 pockets and then the zipper pocket attached, which you can get these at Michael's for literally $3 from Recollections. Then it comes with a craft folder, and then the actual Traveler's Notebook, which is filled with inserts. So that's super exciting. I also ordered, well, I think 3 other inserts from Wish, so I'm waiting on those. Sorry for the noise. I don't really mind this noise, but I know some people do. But I'm working one-handed here, so I should be using my tripod, but I'm not. This actually feels really nice. I love the color. It's not really showing true here. It's actually darker than that. I don't know if I don't have anything dark brown, but it's a dark brown, and it's really, really nice. I really like it. And then there's the gray on the inside. This is the coffee, lychee coffee, I think it was called. So you get 3 inserts. You get a graph insert, you get lines, and you get plain. And then it has 4 elastics, well, 3 elastics, and then the one in the middle. Sometimes I use that one, sometimes I don't. Just depends on what I'm doing with it. And then you have credit card slots. You have 4 of those. You have a full slot over here. And then you have a secretarial over here. And then here are the grommets on the sides. I don't mind. I think a lot of Traveler's Notebooks now come out the side rather than the back. I think the back's kind of cool, but whatever. I don't know if I'll be using this. I'm not sure. I've never used one before, ever. I've made my own, and it's nice that it comes with extra elastic and an extra jump band. It's pretty cool. So this is really nice. I mean, it doesn't feel like leather. Let's be honest. It doesn't feel like leather, but it's not terrible. It's actually nice, and I'm sure it'll soften up in time. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. I really miss having a standard Traveler's Notebook like this. So there's that. And then I also picked up a pack of Papermate flares. I've never used Papermate flares before in my life. And the only reason I bought them is because of Alyssa Nalani from YouTube. And we've started doing power sheets. I ordered this $75 power sheet bundle for the mid-year refresh, and that will be here hopefully soon. I'll do an unboxing of that as well. But she color codes her pages, her power sheets with these, and I thought that was a great idea because it has all the same colors. So there's that. thanks for the great idea. Love it. But yeah, I love that this comes with all the accessories. I love that it comes full of books. It should be interesting to see how it holds up. And I mean, it looks really nice. Like, all the sides are finished. It's obviously not real leather, but it feels really nice in your hand. It's hefty with the books that they give you. They give you thick books, which is nice. But yeah, I mean, super basic accessories, but they're gonna do great. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Are you guys doing One Book July? Let me know in the comments down below. I am doing One Book July, and I put out a podcast last night that you can check out in my Instagram bio, and I will put that down below, and you can check it out there, what I'm going to be doing for One Book July. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.